Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa. I am Vanessa and you can call me Nessa. So this is a continuation of my last video, so AliExpress nail art haul video part 2. In my last video I was opening foils and it just took so long to go through them that I decided to do a part 2 for you. So this first package I'm going to open is from the Nail Girl store. I ordered it September 23rd. They arrived October 8th, and I paid $8.14 for these 2 plates. Now, I'm not sure if you watched my KunCat video, but I did unbox a gift set by KunCat, and I had an extra plate. I thought I had ordered all of the KunCat plates, but it turned out there was actually 2 more. So let's take a look at these 2. So this one is Born Pretty and KunCat L005. And this one's got tons of little hearts and balloons. Little hugging cats, kissing. It's really cute. Sort of like Tetris pizzas here. Like a pulse. Okay. And the second one. So this one is KunCat L007, and this one is all like full images for your nails, and they are quite large, as you can see. We got like a Christmas one, a unicorn one. Got some ice cream and cakes. We got a space KunCat. We got balloons. We got a KunCat in the rain. Yeah, so there's lots of different options. I really love these little balloons. All right, next package. Okay, this one I ordered June 15th. It arrived August 28th. I paid $5.41, and that's Canadian dollars, including shipping. And this is from the PrudentRider Store. And that's all in one word, PrudentRider with the R capitalized store on AliExpress. This is just clear UV builder gel. I wonder what this guy's for. It's just an extra little tab in there. Okay, let's see if we can open her up. Looks like there's a big bubble, and I'm afraid to poke it. Alright, so it's quite full. You can see it's really hard to tell because it is clear, but it is pretty full. I'll put my, oh, yeah, so there's my finger touching it there. And it is quite thick. We will try using that in an upcoming video. Let me put this guy back in there. I've never used this product before. Most of the things that I have purchased, I've never used before. So I'm trying everything out for the first time when you see it in my videos. Okay, for this next package, I have some gold leaf. I bought this one August 24th. It arrived September 28th. I paid $3.27, and I got it from the FABIYAN VIP Store. Okay, and we ended up with 12 little pots, and it's just gold foil. Next package. So this one is actually storage containers. Pull it out, there we go. It's really big. So I ordered these May 28th. They arrived in August. I ordered it from the Angelhouse Store, and I paid $19.37. And so these are little storage containers. Let's see if I can get one out. There's one. So these little storage containers. I really like these guys. I got one originally from, I believe, wish.com. I had started doing some of those diamond paintings. I don't know if you know what those are, but they have all these little drills, and so these little containers are really good for storing them. So I figured these would be perfect for all my little gems and diamonds and things. And so each one comes in a little, it has like a little individual containers here, and then each one of these opens up, oops, backwards. And so each one is like a little sealed container on its own. I find they work really well. And in this pack, I did get 4 of them. Yeah, so 4 of them for $20 approximately. Okay, for the next package, I actually just ordered this one and I'm a little shocked that it already arrived. So this one I got from the Beauty Big Bang products, and it is from the Beauty Big Bang official store on AliExpress. I ordered them October 6th and it arrived October 21st. So I paid $19.34 for this. And I did actually get a set, so I'm just going to pull out the set here first. So these guys here were a set, and for these guys separately I paid $4.76, and then for these other plates I paid $3.26 each. Just a little bit of a breakdown. I just thought the set was a really good deal, like $4.76. Okay, so let's look at the 2 plates really quickly. Okay, so BBB011, and it's just like a big mandala, but you got some numbers here. It almost looks like piano keys. So there's lots of little different designs on here. We've got like waves, and then that little symbol in the middle. Okay, and then this guy. So Beauty Big Bang L086, and this one is more like dot art, and then you got these 2 little ladies in there. They're really pretty. I really like the optical illusion ones. I know I've said that many times, but I do. I really love them. Okay, and then that one came with this little buffer, and the Beauty Big Bang cube. Open it. So it comes with your little scraper, which I really like these scrapers. I really like the little flexible ones, but just remember the design will not stay on with acetone. It wipes off. Okay, and then the little cube. And I already have one of these. I figured it'd be a good little gift for one of my nieces or something to get an extra one. But it is a pretty good little stamper. It's not sticky, but it is very soft. Okay, and then my other plates here. So I ordered these. I really didn't think I would have them in time for Halloween. But hey, I got them in time. So I have 2 Halloween plates here, which I'm hoping to do a design here in this week so that I have them ready for Halloween. This one, so Beauty Big Bang Halloween XL001, and it says trick or treat. We've got all these little pumpkin faces, which I have to admit, this was one of the reasons why I got this plate. I love the idea of making your nail black like this and just putting a face on it. And then you actually have the pumpkin shapes here. I don't know why it says Hello Kitty there, but... And then you have some zombie heads. This guy with a little, like, ghost coming out of his eye. Or a worm, I don't know. But it's cute. Okay, and the second Halloween one. So, Beauty Big Bang XL090. And you got a nice brain on there. You got this guy with his brain exposed. We got witches flying. Cat in a witch hat. I really love these little strips here. Those are really cool. Lots of dripping blood. I love these little eyeballs and the skulls. Yeah, so we'll have to do a Halloween design, as Halloween is literally like a week and a half away. We need to do it. We'll get these done. Okay, this one I thought was super cool. So this one is Beauty Bigbang Food XL001. And you got all sorts of fast food on there. We got bread, little baguettes. Got like our drinks. You know, everyone needs their little iced coffee. We got burgers and ice cream. We got fries. But I absolutely love this plate, and this is what made me buy it. These donuts that layer together, as well as this hot dog. You can see the little layers there. We have a piece of pizza with the layers, so you can do the pepperoni separately. And then we also have this egg that layers together. So I thought that was really cool. I'm really excited for this plate. Can't wait to try it out. Who doesn't want a hot dog on their nail? Okay, and then the very last one that I ordered. So Beauty Bigbang Accent XL002. And this one, I mean, I love the little characters here, comic book characters. But then you also have like Audrey Hepburn. And maybe that's Marilyn Monroe, but that's definitely Audrey Hepburn there and there with the crown. I'm a big fan of Audrey Hepburn. I have all of her movies. I know everyone knows Breakfast at Tiffany's and My Fair Lady, but I also love some of her other ones that people don't know as much about. If you've never seen it, you should check out The Children's Hour. That was a really good one. But anyways, yeah, I have all of her movies, love her, so I definitely would wear her on my nails. Okay, my last package here. It smells kind of funny. Yeah, it's got like a weird, I don't know, greenery smell to it. It's weird. So this one came from Your Beautiful Girl Store. I ordered this March 27th. They arrived June 24th. And I guess it was, okay, so it was supposed to be 3 items. I only got 2 of them. I guess that's what happened. So I paid $1.20 each for each of these, including shipping. And what are they, you might ask? They are little molds. So I can create my own little gemstones or gems. So this one is like little flowers or gears. So it's like a little gear. It looked more like a gear when I was buying it online, but they kind of look like flowers, especially this guy. Okay, and ugh, yeah, what is that smell? There's like, can you see that? There's like a leg and I think a body, so some kind of dead bug in the package, and I think that's why it smells. Let me just look in here. Yeah, gross. I don't like bugs. Okay, well, let's just look at the second one here. This one is little snowflakes and stars. So how do you use these? I usually just use my gel polish, and with them I usually will open them up like this and paint inside them and then harden them, and then I have little gems. So I will do a video on that, but if you're curious and you want to see it like now, let me know and I'll prioritize that video. Okay, these are all the items that I opened in this video, plus 3 more of these guys. If you have any questions about any of the plates or products, please let me know. If you would like to see me swatch a particular plate, please leave a comment and I will prioritize that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, bell, and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.